Did you bash him on the internet?
Not bash him. I said exactly what happened. I said
Your truth.
that. Yeah, I said
he
the
was
truth.
untrustworthy.
Yeah, and
Okay.
then in Exhibit C, I literally have the text message, and he says, and I quote, "I'm a stand-up,
Yeah.
trustworthy."
Yeah, okay. I read that. Okay.
So
you
for
called
me
him
to say that
untrustworthy.
exactly
Right,
because
okay.
he has not paid me.
That's
so
not bashing, sir. What else?
Those are
did
his
she say?
words.
What did she say? How did she bash you?
Just she was saying stuff like that. Like,
Stuff like you're untrustworthy.
yeah,
The
stuff.
truth.
So that's her truth, right?
That's her truth, yeah.
Okay, because you said that she defamed you. What did she say that wasn't true? You may feel like you're a trustworthy person,
So-
but she's not getting her money, right? So you kind of can expect her to be upset, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You might see that as harassment,
Yeah, that's harassment.
but you said she defamed you. Did she say something to the public about you that wasn't true?
That I'm untrustworthy.
Asking for her money?
No. Like after the fact, she already put the lawsuit in. She kept like texting me, "Oh, they gonna come get you," stuff like just saying crazy stuff like.
Ma'am, did you say that?
I can tell you exactly what I said.
I did see some reference to officers being called.
Oh, yeah.
ahead.
I told him, I was like, you're not paying me. In this exhibit here, oh my gosh, sorry. Page 11, on the 16th, he acknowledges, right, that he says, why are you suing me for $1,800? So this was before the case got transferred to Statesboro, where he was actually at. So somebody at the place of residence communicated with the defendant that he was being sued. So, like, it's acknowledged he knew that he was being sued. He knows, I mean, I don't know if he knows, but when you're being sued, you have to get served. So a marshal is going to come, AKA the police, come serve you. That's what I was saying.
Wow.
Did you post the lawsuit on
No.
social media?
No.
So someone is texting with the defendant, and he said, bro, this girl, Kenzie, trying to sue you. She be posting it in her close friends. And that's on page 11. Do you know what he's referring to?
Oh, yes.
So you did post it online?
Well, on my, I posted online that he didn't pay me, that he wasn't paying me.
Right.
Yeah, so I was talking about how he's not paying me and that I had the intention to sue him since he wasn't taking this seriously.
So you were trying to get his attention?
No.
'Cause I'm not
just
sure why
ranting.
people
This is
post their business
so, like,
online
this
like
close
that.
friends is just like a rant. I was just ranting to some of my close friends saying, like, this is the situation.
Y'all
I'm
don't
going
have group
through.
texts, like, offline?
I'm just ranting. I'm just talking about I made this guy the sign. He still hasn't paid me for it.
Yeah.
He's ignoring me now. He's posted up on social media. Like, this is just a rant. This is not me saying, oh, I just sued him. Let me, like, this is not to get his attention.
Right.
I don't care for his attention.
Right.
This is simply to express the emotional stress that I was feeling.
So you're close friends with someone that knows him, obviously?
Yeah, and I know who this is.
Okay, okay. I'm gonna open it up now.
You don't claim that her text messages were harassing, do you?
Yeah, no,
The one where the police are going to come get you
yeah.
is a little ridiculous. All right, so this is Plaintiff's Exhibit B, page 9, where the plaintiff says, you must want Statesboro police to come arrest you, say less. I mean, that's a little ridiculous, right?
Yeah.
But other than that, anything?
Just the Instagram posters and stuff.
Okay.
Just the tagging me.
Because certainly asking for her money is not harassment.
No, not at all.
Okay, you agree with me on that.
Yeah.
These text messages, I will just tell you, I mean, that one's a little silly, but they're pretty tame compared to what we see in this court from people that are owed money. Not the biggest offender we've had here, so I'm good.
Great. We're going to excuse the parties while we deliberate in this matter. Thank you both very much.
Ms. Thomas, Mr. Johnson, we have reviewed the evidence, considered your testimony, and reached a unanimous verdict. There was no doubt that $175 is owed for the sign. As for the rest of it, which I think you know what's coming, Ms. Thomas, this is not an emotional distress case. Breaching a contract is not emotional distress. Failing to pay you is not emotional distress. We think that probably you should have charged that $1,500 for the sign, given how much time you told us you spent on it. It certainly turned out wonderfully. The defendant seems to know that he got a killer deal because you weren't really sure how to price your services. So we think this is a little bit of regret trying to reprice your services at a more appropriate level, which obviously you can't do. Nonetheless, there's no dispute that you provided a service, you did it well, the defendant was happy with it. You owe her, but certainly not the $1,800. So our verdict is in favor of the plaintiff for $175, and next time, charge what you're worth. We wish you both the best.